Hey, good Easter morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Part 2 of our Legend trailer job, showing you what we started doing inside and outside. We'll start out here. I bought a couple of these 10-watt solar chargers to keep my new house battery charged inside. I put one over on my dump trailer. I just got two to keep that top off, but I'll take you inside and show you what we got started here. Got our spare tire hung. Got our cabinet built yesterday and some boxes, wall boxes put on the wall there. And I'll turn this on temporary here so you can see a little better. Put that light up there. Everything now is going to come out of a house battery, and I've got that down there now. That's temporary because I ordered one of those 12-volt power panels I'm going to put in here with a master switch. I'll have my phone chargers, 12-volt power, and then I'll be able to actually switch this light independently from these. And went back to our old go-to subway flooring over in the barn. Got 3 or 4 rolls of that left. It's real thick, but I thought it made a nice top for this. So I'm not going to really be pounding a lot of stuff. It's more just a place to sit stuff down. But I was able to fish up behind there down so I can keep all the wires hidden. And I think I'm going to mount my combination inverter unit right there so everything's visible. And I'll just bring it in from the outside through here with one of those wall fittings so I don't have to penetrate the roof with the solar panel. And that'll go into the inverter unit. That'll switch that receptacle automatically. I was going to put one of those outdoor plug jacks, female jacks on the outside, but I decided just to go through the floor. And I've got a male cord cap up by the tongue that I'm just going to feed. It's too new. I didn't want to penetrate the skin, although I did tip one screw through on one of these 45s, and that was killing me, but that pain will go away. But it wasn't too bad. I was able to tap it back in. But there we go, folks. She's coming along. Next probably will be the E-track system I'll put in here on both sides, high and low. And I'll probably put a couple short pieces here so I can Amazon as a kit, where it actually comes with 2 shorter pieces, some 8-footers, and some cargo hooks, so I could like hang an extension cord or whatever up here. But I think it's going to look nice when it's done. Happy Easter, folks. Have a good day.